Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the TikTok app on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or another device altogether, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Play Store app. You want to search in the search field for TikTok. And you want to get it from the recommended source here, directly from the developer. Should be the highest rated and most downloaded app on here. Select install. You can see it's finished installing. You can go ahead and open it up, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.